Outside right now, cloudy skies. There were a few breaks in the clouds earlier this evening, but they've seemed to have sort of filled back in here in Springfield. Temperatures sitting right at the freezing mark. I haven't seen any flurries this evening. Not to say that we couldn't see a few more. Right now, though, it looks pretty quiet on radar. This after a day where we had lots of snow shower activity. Once we got past mid-morning, we didn't really see a whole lot more in the way of accumulation in the areas where snow did accumulate. And this was an event that was a high elevation event. Areas at higher elevation where temperatures were at freezing and the changeover happened faster is where we had the accumulations. And that was near Highway 60 east of Springfield, down to the southwest in McDonald County and Berry County, and here in northwest Arkansas, in the mountains of northwest Arkansas. Check out the totals in these three areas. And on the Missouri side of the state line, we didn't see a lot of snow in the areas where we had accumulations, but we did pick up 1 to 2 inches in southwest Missouri. You can see areas near Highway 60, generally 1 to 2 inches, 1.5 inches in Marshfield, a little over that, a little over an inch in Norwood. Summersville off towards Shannon County picking up a little bit over an inch, and I did get one report in northern Shannon County of about 3/4 of an inch. Winona coming in at about 1/2 inch. But the big winner out of this event were, again, the mountains in northwest Arkansas, particularly in Newton County, southwest of Jasper, where we had totals generally between 5 and 7 inches of snowfall. And while a lot of that probably melted today with temperatures getting into the mid-30s, there's still, I'm sure, some snow cover out there where we saw it accumulate early this morning. Temperatures now sitting at about freezing in most spots, 32 in Springfield. Really not too worried about road conditions, but I can't completely rule out the risk of maybe a little black ice, especially those areas where we did see some snow. Maybe it melted some during the afternoon, and now that water is refreezing, especially over toward the shoulder of the roadway. As far as our forecast tonight, it looks like it'll generally be cloudy. Maybe a few flurries out there. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a flurry, especially during the morning hours. I think as we get into the afternoon, we may see clouds try to thin out over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. I think we're going to hold on to mostly cloudy skies, though, here in Springfield and areas to the north and also off to the east. Temperatures tonight dropping to about 27 for the low, and then temperatures tomorrow only getting back into the 30s, about 35 here in Springfield. Front end of the weekend looks very similar. I think we're looking at mostly cloudy skies overnight Friday night, maybe a flurry. And then on Saturday, we will find mostly cloudy skies. It looks like areas to the southwest and south, once again, will have a better shot at seeing at least some sunshine, if not mostly sunny to partly sunny conditions. And with that, we're going to find warmer readings here as well versus areas to the north and to the east. And again, here in Springfield, I think we're going to hold on to mostly cloudy skies. Looks like about 26 for a low tomorrow night with a high tomorrow, or actually on Saturday. Looking at low to mid 30s. Across areas north and east of Springfield. Looks like about 35 here in Springfield, but off to the southwest and south, maybe upper 30s for highs Saturday afternoon. Interesting feature Sunday into Monday moving by to our south. Looks like it'll provide a rare chance at some snow in the deep south as it tracks south of our area. Not expecting anything locally outside of maybe a few flurries getting into northern sections of Arkansas. But areas further south into southern Arkansas, the Delta and Mississippi, maybe picking up a few inches out of that storm. And then for us, we've got some warmer weather to look forward to. After a cold start to this upcoming work week, we are going to find the pattern flattening out just enough so that warmer air will try to spread back in from the west. Here's what it looks like in your 7-day forecast. Cold weekend to be sure. Highs in the mid-30s, lows in the mid-20s, mostly cloudy Saturday. It looks like partly sunny conditions on Sunday. Monday looks mostly sunny, upper 30s for highs. And then check it out, Tuesday, the beginnings of a warming trend, up near 50 for a high with highs probably well into the 50s. Wednesday and then again on Thursday. Thursday we'll have another cold front moving in, though, so we will wrap up next week on a colder note.
So we have something to look forward to, though. I mean, it looks like we're going to have a sunny, what was that, Thursday?
Well, yeah. I mean, we're going to see a little bit of sun this weekend, I think, too, especially once we get into Sunday. And that certainly can make all the difference, you know, when it is cold. But you want to get back to some warmer weather, we're going to have to wait till Tuesday of next week.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jamie. Up next, implementing one new Missouri law is